Hi everybody, I'm here at Horizon Crest Dog Park. Um, Only going to be here for about an hour. Couple things I want to talk about. I am currently going to be switching vets for my dogs because number one, cheaper pricing. Um, Shadow is currently, he's not neutered, and the reason why he's not neutered um, is because it is basically because of pricing. Basically because of pricing. Um, so um, that's basically what I want to do is get him neutered at a cheaper price. So I'm taking him to this hospital. It's called Banfield, and they have like a wellness plan for your pet. It's like insurance for your dogs. I think I want to do that because it'll give me peace of mind that I can take my dogs anytime to the vet, unlimited vet visits. Anytime I find something wrong, I can just take them to the vet, and it's already paid for. I can just take them there anytime I want. So it's a good peace of mind, and I think I'm gonna do that. You know, so same thing for Charlie. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. For both of them. It just gives me a peace of mind. So, and with this plan, I get unlimited vet visits. I get exams for my dogs. They get a dental cleaning. That's all included. Whenever it's time for it, and you know, it's about it's gonna be about $70 a month for both of my dogs, but I think that's worth it because I'd rather pay the $70 a month and have full coverage for both of my pets rather than every time keep waiting till me saving up the money uh, for them to see a vet, which that's the reason why they hardly don't see one is because of the money. Um, but and I can pick my date when I want the money to come out, and then I can just make sure it's in there, and then they can charge it, and then and it just gives me peace of mind. If my dogs get sick, if they get allergic reaction, I don't really have anything to worry about. I can just take them, and because it says unlimited vet visits, so and I like unlimited vet visits. I actually like that. I like that idea. So that's what I want to talk about. I will show you guys the information on the hospital um, that I'm going to be going to. So yeah. So um, that's just what I basically want to talk about for today. So um, thank you for watching this video. Please comment, please rate, please subscribe, and please share this video. Please subscribe to Gone to the Snow Dogs, and may the spirit of the wolf and the husky be with you until we meet again next time in paradise. Okay, bye.